Hi, I'm Alex and you're watching 101 ways to use a multi-tool on tour. So come on, follow me. Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you the 75 by 75mm single socket box cutter from Smart. Now this is ideal for electricians especially, as I know you like to make things a little bit easier for yourselves. This is ideal for cutting single sockets out into dry line plasterboard walls. So without further ado, I'm going to give a demonstration on exactly how this works. So as I just demonstrated, the single 75mm box cutter makes work effortless. Now throw away your pad saws and your marking tools. This does the job all in one. Now if we look closely, the radius on each elevation of the blade. Now you're probably thinking, a multi-tool blade with a vibration, would it throw you up the wall? Well, no. It's been designed specifically to give you a good, clean head start and get the job done perfect like you've seen. This is Alex. You've been watching 101 ways to use a multi-tool on tour. I'll catch you over on the next job.